Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and I'm doing a first impressions review of the Burt's Bees Detoxifying Charcoal Sheet Mask with honey. Yeah. So if you're interested in me trying this on and talking about it a little bit as I'm trying it on and just know my thoughts and opinions on it, then just keep on watching. Before I get into this first impression slash review, please don't forget to check out a giveaway I have going on my channel. It's just a spring giveaway I am doing. I plan on doing these seasonally, and more often than I have been. But yeah, if you haven't seen that already, you should check it out. It's in my past videos. You can just go to my most recent videos until you see the giveaway. Or you can just wait to the end of this video. That way you can just click on that and it'll go straight to that video where you can enter to win. Alright, on to this sheet mask. So this is what the front looks like. If you see my nails and they look dirty, yeah, they're not dirty. I promise. I just cleaned my face and my hands and everything. But I did self-tan yesterday. That's why my hands look a little dirty. Yeah, they look a little dirty, but they're not dirty. I just washed my hands, just washed my face. They're not dirty, I promise. Just self-tanner, you know. I got my coffee with my cute little coffee cup. Ain't he so cute? I got my new candle right here. It is a Bath & Body Works candle. It's aromatherapy candle. It's energy orange and ginger. So yeah, we're ready to try out this mask. So on the directions on the back right here, all it says to do is unfold mask and place on clean face, smooth mask into face. It says 2 minutes, wait for up to 2 minutes, gently massage mask into face and rinse face. It says remove mask and rinse face. Really? I gotta rinse it? Okay. So they have little indentions you can easily open. That's what the mask looks like coming out. Oh, it's kind of watery. It's not like a soothy kind of thing. It actually looks kind of soapy. It's kind of small looking than what I'm used to. Ooh. 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 Says only wait 2 minutes too. Really? That's kind of disappointing. But this face mask is like $3. Just in case you're wondering. And I got it on a Burt's box unboxing. I will have that link to that box if you're interested down in my description box below, along with this mask if you're interested in trying it out. But yeah, it fits my face real good, but I think like most face masks to me is really huge. So if you got a big face, you might not can fit this mask, but it fits perfect on mine. It's not like a lot of baggage like most mask for me. So this is cool. Okay. This material just feels different. It's not like a normal sheet mask that I've tried that is just like a plastic like feeling. This is actually like more of a cloth feeling. So that's cool. So I'm going to talk a little bit about it. Like I said, this is the Burt's Bees brand of face mask. So you can get it at burtsbees.com. Maybe Walgreens. I'm not sure where all you can get it, but I know burtsbees.com. But it's a detoxifying charcoal sheet mask with honey. Removes impurities for an invigorating cleanse. 99.0% natural. One single-use sheet mask. It says Burt's Bees Detoxifying Charcoal Sheet Mask removes impurities for an invigorating, I can't pronounce that word, cleanse while being gentle and soothing into skin. Our sheet mask features embedded charcoal and our 99% natural soap-free formula uses powerful natural ingredients including honey to leave skin feeling clean and hydrating and looking healthy. Formulated without parabens and all this other stuff. Then it says the directions. And oh yeah, by the way, Burt's Bees is a cruelty-free brand. It even has it on the back of here, the little bunny. But yeah, like I said, it's a $2 sheet mask, and I did not pay attention what time I put this on, but I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I just read the directions again as I was waiting, and it says wait for up to 2 minutes, gently massage mask into face. So does that mean I'm supposed to massage my face with this mask on for 2 minutes? That's what I'm about to do. Alright everybody, I am back after like rinsing my face off from the mask. So let's look at the claims. It says Burt's Bees Detoxifying Charcoal Sheet Mask removes impurities. I don't see how you can do that after one use or anything, but I guess it can help in multiple ways. For invigorating, that word I can't say, cleanse. It does feel like it cleansed my face. But I just did wash my face, so any extra cleanse I guess will help. While being gentle, it was gentle, it really was, and I do have dry sensitive skin just in case anybody's wondering out there. And soothing to skin, my face actually does feel like smoother. It does. Our sheet mask features embedded charcoal for our 90% natural soap-free formula uses powerful natural ingredients including honey to leave skin feeling clean and hydrated and looking healthy. My like I said, my face does feel like clean, but I just basically double cleansed. And it doesn't feel dry, but it doesn't feel moisturized. It just feels like normal. I mean, not normal for me because my skin normally feels really dry after washing my face. Like before I did this video, I washed my face and it was feeling drying. But after doing the sheet mask, which I have right here still, after doing the sheet mask and then rinsing my face, it doesn't have that dry feeling right now. It does feel like it needs to be moisturized, but it's just a different feeling. Like it doesn't feel like dry and cracky anymore. It feels like it just wants to be moisturized. I don't know. And as far as healthy looking, I mean, I don't really see a big difference. I mean, I'm not into sheet masks that much. So, I normally don't see big differences, but how are you gonna see a big difference for most masks unless it's like some of my other ones that I really do like is the Aztec Indian Healing Clay Mask. I like that one for when I feel like my skin's is like really irritated and it feels just like it needs to pull everything out of my skin, you know. That's a good one for that. And then I just like to put oil on my face afterwards, but that clay mask does make my face like really red for like 30 minutes, but I love it because it does its job. It's like freaking cement, you know, trying to get cement off your face. It's just like cement to me. Like that's the best way I can describe Aztec Indian Healing Clay Mask. But I do love that one. It's a go-to to mine. I actually used it like 2 days ago. because I was getting a breakout and I just wanted to pull everything out and start new, you know. And then I like my Shea Moisture Black African mask. It's a really good one for just for like soothing the skin, and like if your face feels really dry but it's also feeling like it's just irritated, that's a good mask for that. And then I also like my, I think it's called my chili fruit enzyme mask. It's like a scrub mask. That one's good just for exfoliating and just to have a mask. But this, as far as this one, I mean, I'm not going to repurchase it, I guess. It came in my box. I enjoyed using it. Do I recommend it to y'all? I say if you want to try a cool looking mask, because it is really cool looking, and you want a sheet mask, a cruelty free sheet mask, and it's pretty cheap, it's only $3. And it is really different. It's like a cloth material. If you just wanted to experience something different, yeah, you can. It does make your face feel cleaner, and it doesn't leave your face feeling extra dry or anything. I say you can if you want to. It's not a horrible mask, but I'm not going to repurchase it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this Burt's Bees Detoxifying Charcoal Mask review, first impression. And don't forget that I do have a giveaway going on my channel. It will be at the end card at the end of this video. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you buddies next time. Bye!